So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how you can start to make money with Muncheye.com. Now, Muncheye.com is a website where you can find any upcoming launches in the affiliate marketing or the make money online space. Now, this is a simple strategy that I'm going to share with you, and this is a strategy that I still do inside of my business because it's another way to generate some additional income stream without that much effort. And then also, this is how I got started online with affiliate marketing. Is simply by doing the same strategy I'm going to share with you, and it's how I made my first $1,500 in my first 30 days of doing this. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to have the same results, but I'm just sharing with you how simple this strategy is, and how if you're looking to get started with making money online, this is a strategy that you can start with that requires no experience and no upfront costs. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you how you can start to make money with Muncheye.com. Also, while going through this video, if you want a more detailed step-by-step of this process, I'm going to include a link to the show notes that's going to let you know more about what I talk about in this video, any websites that I mentioned in this video, and a further breakdown of how you can get started with this. So right now we're looking at Muncheye.com. So when you come onto this website, you do see that there are two categories. So we see that they have a category for big launches and then another category for all launches. And the only difference is that with the big launches, these are typically from people who have done launches that have done very well in the past. They're really well known in the make money online or the affiliate marketing space pretty much. And then for the all launches, it's just any product that's about to be released in the upcoming weeks or the upcoming months. And you can promote products from either category. It doesn't matter. That's just how they have it set on the website. So what you want to do before you even get started on this website is you need to sign up for 2 affiliate networks in order to have this strategy work. And the reason why you need to do this is because all of the products, or majority of the products that you're going to find on these lists, they're hosted on these particular affiliate networks, and you need to be a member of these affiliate networks in order to promote the products. And don't worry, again, it costs you no money to sign up for these websites. So the first website that you need to sign up for is warriorplus.com. And then the second website that you need to sign up with is jvzoo.com. Again, they cost no money to get started. You can sign up for free. Now, once you have signed up for these websites, the next thing you need to do is you want to come back over here to Muncheye. And what you want to do is you want to find products that are about to be released in the next 7 to 14 days. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because this is going to give you some time as a newbie or as a beginner to go through this process, take your time to set everything up. You'll probably be done with this a lot. Depending on how you work, you might finish this within a few days. Some people, it may take a little bit longer, and that's fine. So that's why you want to go ahead and find launches that are going to be launching in the next 7 to 14 days. So if we scroll down here, we want to find products that are launching on July 12th and past that, okay? So if we come over here, we see right here, there's a lot of products being launched on July 12th. And what you want to do, especially as a beginner, you want to apply and get approval for as many products as possible. Now, the reason why you want to do this is because since you are brand new to this, you probably want to get approved for every product launch, okay? So you want to apply for as many as possible, and the more that you get, the better opportunity that you have to earn more money. So again, apply for them as many as possible. So as you can see here, we have all these different products that are about to be launched. So let's go ahead and let's choose one of these launches that are coming up. Let's choose one. And as you can see here, when you click on the link, it's going to give you some additional information. So it's going to let you know when the product is going to be launched. It's also going to let you know what affiliate network is going to be launched on. And then also the JV page. Now this is the gold for us, right? So we want to go ahead and we want to click on this link here that's going to take us to the JV page. Now on this JV page, they're going to give you all the information that you need as an affiliate in order to promote this product successfully. And the reason why they do this is because the more sales you bring in, the more sales and revenues that they earn, right? So they want to put you in the best position possible. So if we were to scroll down this page, you can see there's going to be a video from the creator of this product. You're also going to know that the launch date of the product. You can also see how much you can possibly earn per sale. And then they're also going to give you this button right here that's going to tell you to apply for your affiliate link. And again, you can just scroll down on the page so that way you can see what the actual product is, what the additional products in the funnel is, everything that you need to know in order to promote this product. And then also, if you scroll down, you can see that if you have any questions, they have the creator right here and the JV partner, and they have their information, so you can contact them to ask them any questions and things like that as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to apply for your affiliate link. And when you click on this link, it's going to send you directly to Warrior Plus, where you can request for your affiliate link. So as you can see here, it has brought us over here to Warrior Plus. And you can see right here, you must be approved by this person in order to promote this offer. So you want to click on this blue button here, and then you definitely want to leave a small message here to request approval to promote this product. Now, again, this is very important. If you're brand new, you definitely want to leave a message. If you have never promoted a product before and you don't have any type of results or proof or anything like that to show, you definitely want to include a message. And you can include something simple as, "Hi, I'm currently going through some training right now that's teaching me how to effectively promote affiliate products on Warrior Plus, and I'm requesting approval to promote your product." Something like that, to that effect, okay? And then you want to click on this button right here where it says request offer. Now, once you have done that, and if you get approved for the link, you will receive an email alert from Warrior Plus letting you know that you have been approved for an affiliate link, and now you can move on to the next step. So now that you have your affiliate link, the next thing that you need to do is you need to record a short, like 5 to 10 minute video doing a review of the product. Now, don't worry, you do not have to show your face if you don't want to. If you don't mind, you can definitely go for it. But what you can do is you can come to this website called Screencast-O-Matic.com, and you can use their free recording software, screen recording software, in order to do your video review. Now, this is the same exact software that I used to record my videos when I first got started with affiliate marketing by doing these simple reviews. I use the same software. So what you want to do is you want to download it, and that way you have it onto your computer. Now, what you need to do next is you need to come back over here to the JV page for the product, and what we want to do is we want to find the sales page preview, and they typically will have it at the top of the page. So let's go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring us here to the sales page. Okay, so once we are here, what you want to do is you want to watch the video, you want to scroll through the page, and you actually want to jot down some notes, and these are things that you're going to cover in your video. So in the video, your review video, you want to cover what the product is, what problems it solves, the features and the benefits, and things like that as well in your video. And you can typically get all that information simply by going through the sales page here, and then also going through the JV document that we saw just a few minutes ago. So just scroll through and just give like a, what you're going to do is while you're recording your screen, you're going to let people know what the product is, do a quick review of the product, let them know when the product is going to be released, and then also you want to let them know how they can actually purchase the product. And how they're going to be able to purchase the product is simply by, when you are done creating your review video, you're going to take this review video and you're going to upload it to YouTube. And when you upload it to YouTube, you're going to include your affiliate link, your Warrior Plus affiliate link, in the description box below the video. And to kind of give you an example of this, right now we're looking at a video that I did for a review of a product called Affiliate Maniac. And all I am doing is I'm letting people know what the product is, when it's going to be launched, and the features and the benefits and what they can actually gain from actually purchasing this product. And this is what I'm doing here. I just upload it to YouTube on a separate review channel, and I tell people if they want to purchase the product, all they have to do is just click on my affiliate link that's in the description box below the video. And that's all you do, guys. That's all you're going to be doing, is simply doing video reviews of these upcoming products. As we go back to Muncheye.com, as you can see, again, there are multiple products being launched every single day pretty much on, as you can see on this website. So you want to apply and get affiliate links for as many of these as possible, because the more videos that you have out there, the more opportunity that you have to earn more money. And then also with these different launches, they also have contests attached to them. So that's just another way that you can possibly earn some money simply by winning these contests as well. And you'll typically win the contest the longer you have done this. And the reason why I say that is because the more video reviews out there, that you do of different affiliate products, more people actually get used to seeing you. They get used to seeing your brand, and they'll actually start to purchase more from you. And then that will also help you to possibly win contests down the road, okay? So that's how you can actually start to make money with Muncheye.com. It's simply by doing video reviews. So in this video, I share with you step by step how you can make money with Muncheye.com. If you want a more detailed explanation of this, in the description box below this video, I'm going to include a link to the show notes. And that way you can actually learn more about this process and how you can actually get started. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Also, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.